of weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Pretty quiet weather out there today for much of the region. A live look at the mostly cloudy conditions over Ashland. Really, if you need to get things done ahead of Christmas, maybe some Christmas shopping or travel, better to do it earlier in the week than later, because as we get deeper into the week, it's going to get more active. We're going to see more widespread precipitation and snow levels will be lower. So even some lower elevation snow is going to be a concern later this week. But even this weekend, we could be talking about valley snow just in time for Christmas. It's going to get interesting. We'll show you more about that extended forecast in a bit. But right now, pretty pleasant, mild in Medford, 51 degrees. It's 43 in Klamath Falls, 48 in Montague, and 54 degrees along the coast in Brookings. It has been a little bit breezy today in the southern end of the Rogue Valley. Also the Shasta Valley, sustained winds at 20 miles per hour in Montague. And this is going to continue to tomorrow. The main batch of precipitation has lifted to the north. But there is more wet weather off the coast, and finally the storm system that's been teasing us the last few days will move through tomorrow. So we will see a little bit more widespread rain and mountain snow activity, but tonight is going to stay mainly dry for inland areas, down into the teens for the east side, down to 27 in Mount Shasta, 35 in Medford. Some showers still possible though at the coast overnight. Then tomorrow, breezy, increasing clouds around the region with a scattered rain and mountain snow. At this point, amounts don't look too terribly significant. Snow shouldn't have that much of an impact. Snow levels will climb to around 5,000 feet tomorrow afternoon, especially as some of that precipitation works in, dropping down to 3,000 feet tomorrow evening. So a little bit of light snow accumulating along the Cascades and the Siskiyou, some of the higher terrain areas. But as you can see, it's not all that much. For the higher terrain areas, most areas seeing between dusting to maybe 1 to 2 inches, maybe locally some higher amounts towards some of the higher terrain around Mount Shasta, but that's about it. Here's a look at Stormcast. You'll kind of see how this plays out tomorrow. Rain moving in back along the coast, and these scattered areas of rain and snow showers spread inland as we go throughout the day into the evening. And then we'll get a bit of a lull again in the action, but then on Wednesday, much more widespread precipitation. Snow levels will be around 4,000 feet, so we do expect accumulating snow through the Cascades, Siskiyous, higher elevations in Siskiyou County and the east side, and snow levels start dropping even further as we head into Thursday. Winter storm watches have been issued above 4,000 feet in Siskiyou County, so this is just above Mount Shasta City, but we do expect at least some accumulating snow, especially later Wednesday on into Thursday. We'll keep you posted on snow amounts and also travel impacts, but expect things to become more impactful weather-wise when it comes to travel later this week. You can see those temperatures tumbling in the Rogue Valley by Thursday, highs only around 40, and then check out Christmas Day. Most areas seeing highs in the 20s and 30s, and snow levels will likely be down at the valley floors. So we will keep you posted. We could be looking at a white Christmas for much of the region. Your 7-day forecast for the coast, it will be rainy. Winter, by the way, officially arrives tomorrow. Northern California, more rounds of rain and snow, lowering snow levels where pretty much all of Siskiyou County dealing with snow by the time we head into Thursday on into Christmas Eve. The Klamath Basin, it is going to get cold, highs only in the 30s starting Thursday and Friday. Snow likely, accumulations expected through Christmas. The Cascades and Siskiyous travel is going to become more and more difficult the later the week we go, as we're going to see round and round of precipitation around the region through the week and then in through the weekend. And then in the Rogue Valley, mainly looking at rain the next couple of days. But as we head deeper into the week, valley snow is definitely looking like a strong possibility.
Strong possibility of a white Christmas is what I'm hearing.
We will see, but it's looking more and more likely. It's kind of crazy. We'll have to look back exactly when was the last time we had snow in the valley on Christmas. We'll do that.
Yep, fingers crossed it'll happen. So thank you so much, Matt.